I chase the stars to find your light, a silent glow in endless night. Through constellations I could hear a voice that whispered you were near. Every orbit pulls me close, your gravity I can't oppose. You're my cosmic whisper, floating in the silent air, a signal from the galaxies that tells me you'll always be there. No matter how far I roam, your voice will guide me home. Your touch, it bends reality and paints the void with melody. Black holes couldn't pull me in, 'cause love with you begins again. Even time can't erase the echo of your trace. You're my cosmic whisper, calling through the meteor rain, a secret written in the stars that keeps me sane. I hear you in every night, you're my eternal satellite. I close my eyes, I'm drifting free in your dimension next to me. Let the universe fade away if you're the light that stays. Cosmic whisper never fades across the sky. Our love parade